In the age of smart homes and advanced technology, securing your doorstep has never been more convenient and effective. The best video doorbells are here to revolutionize the way you safeguard your home, providing crystal clear visuals, intelligent motion detection, and seamless communication with visitors. I've handpicked a selection of 5 best video doorbell devices to help you make an informed choice and elevate your home security game. From Arlo's exceptional wireless offering to AOSU's unparalleled UHD clarity, REOLINK's dual-band connectivity, EKEN's wire-free convenience, and UI's triple security powerhouse, these video doorbells are your ticket to peace of mind and modern living. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. It is a game-changer when it comes to home security. Installation is a breeze with its wireless setup, eliminating the need for complex wiring. With a wide 180-degree field of view, this doorbell camera captures everything from head to toe or even packages left at your doorstep. Don't miss out on any details thanks to its HD video with HDR ensuring clarity in all lighting conditions. What sets the Arlo Essential apart is its Arlo Foresight feature, which records video prior to every motion-triggered event, giving you a comprehensive view of what led to the alert. When someone approaches your door, you receive a video call to your phone, enabling clear two-way audio communication. Even if you're busy, you can send pre-recorded quick reply messages. Rain or shine, this weather-resistant doorbell holds up, and it plays well with other smart home systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Plus, Arlo Secure Plan users enjoy smarter alerts for people, vehicles, and packages, making your home security even more efficient. Number 2 is AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera. The AOSU wireless doorbell camera is a top-tier choice for those seeking exceptional clarity and smart detection capabilities. With a 5MP UHD camera and advanced optical glass lens, it delivers sharp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Its triple motion detection, powered by radar and PIR sensors, can distinguish between objects, ensuring no false alerts. What sets this doorbell apart is its incredible 60 days of loop recording thanks to built-in 8 GB memory. No need for monthly fees. Plus, it boasts a 166 field of view, eliminating blind spots. With a rechargeable battery, you enjoy 180 days of coverage from a single charge. It's a powerhouse in home security. Number 3 is REOLINK Doorbell Wi-Fi Camera. The REOLINK Doorbell Wi-Fi camera shines with its incredible 5MP Super HD resolution, complete with HDR/3 DDNR and distortion correction technologies for sharp, detailed images, even in low light. Its dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a stable connection. You'll appreciate the 180 wide viewing angle, which eliminates blind spots, and the included chime with various tunes and adjustable volume settings. With its built-in mic and speaker, you can answer the door remotely and even preset voice messages. Don't worry about harsh weather, it's waterproof. Number 4 is EKEN Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The EKEN Smart Video Doorbell Camera offers wire-free convenience with 2.4 Wi-Fi support. It includes a doorbell chime for added convenience, ensuring you never miss a visitor. Its AI human detection distinguishes people from other moving objects, reducing false alerts. Two-way communication allows you to engage with visitors from anywhere, while secure cloud storage and advanced night vision enhance your home security. With EKEN, peace of mind is just a click away. Number 5 is Eufy Security Video Camera Doorbell. The Eufy Security Video Camera Doorbell combines the convenience of a smart lock, a 2K HD camera, and a video doorbell into one device. Unlock your door with ultra-fast fingerprint recognition, a mobile app, voice assistance, a keypad, or traditional keys. This doorbell offers remote control from anywhere, including real-time video monitoring and access management for visitors. A rechargeable battery powers it all, and it comes with local storage on the chime. It's BHMA certified, waterproof, and built to last. With Eufy, you have triple the security in one sleek package.